Hi, hello, welcome once again to Moneyhorn. This is another great earning opportunity. I would like to show you today how you can make $1,000 or more for free just for playing games. Yeah, this is a great earning opportunity to make money online by playing. I am going to show you that this is the way you can just play game and earn rewards. You see that $16 million already they have paid. So this is a great site. And another site is giving $1 million jackpot, and you can also win 100,000 cash money. This is real money opportunity to earn from just playing. But before that, hi, this is Jash from Money Hunt. If you want to know more make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to first site. That is, I'm going to show you this. The site name is Lucktastic.com. This is a really great site to earn money just by playing. That is really awesome. You just play, win, and redeem. This is really awesome app by which you can earn great money. There is a bigger chance you can earn money. You see that they have free lotteries, free jackpots that are going to pay you $1 million just to enter for free. Your chance to win up to $1 million cash. One grand prize finalist will be selected and have a chance to win $1 million, and which is free. And people are winning money from this. They have a payment proof. They are not new in this business. They are really doing it for a long time. And you can see that is this they have also a great sweet money opportunity. Here you can see that enter that Lucktastic sweet money contest. This sweet money contest will going to pay you $100,000 to if you win that contest, and one finalist will be selected to play our sweet money virtual game and have a chance to win up to $100,000. And that is up to, you can win any amount if you get selected, and people are getting money here, real winners daily. Those people are not fake. You can verify that 1 million winners today they have. This is awesome. You could be the next. You play for real rewards. They're not going to give you some points, coins like other apps do, but they give you real money. They are featured on Discovery, Yahoo, Reuters. Big brands are featuring these app, these sites. So this is an awesome app. They have both Android app and iPhone app. So people around the world who have Apple iPhone or Android phone can both participate in this Lucktastic site. You may get lucky someday. There is a definitely chance, but this is not a regular earning site, regular earning opportunity. You have to win to make money here. That is way. But wait, I'm going to show you a site that is going to pay you for playing games daily. That is really awesome. So move on to the next site, BigTime app. BigTime app. This is an app developed by Winner Games. So you can get it on winnergames.com, and the app name is BigTime. And this app is not the app that I'm talking about. Just stay till at the end of this video so I can reveal the site that gives you more money for playing games. But for now, I'm showing you this app. BigTime is also paying money to people. This app is also a legit app. They are paying to peoples. They are proven to pay to peoples, and they have lots of games that you will love to play. You do not get guilty feeling of playing games on your phone because you are earning money here. So this is it. You can sit and relax and play these great looking games and win money. You can see these images are proven image. These are not fake images. I guarantee. I know this site from many times now. This is a very great site to earn some money. You can see people from USA, people from India, see that people from India, people from Italy, every countries, people from Spain. These peoples are not fake. They are making thousands of dollars from this app. See, $3,000, 3,000. Everybody is making more than $3,000 here. And if I click, it will load more. Those are making money from these sites. You can see people from Brazil, Canada. It's a great way to earn money just by playing some games. You do not have to stay all day long, but it's okay to play games here. And they have also build apps for App Store and Google Play. So now, wait, I'm going to show you a great site that can pay more money for playing games and which is a very legit site. But before that, if you haven't liked this video, please go down below, hit the like button, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. So move on to the final site, final app that I'm going to reveal today that you can earn money by playing is MissPlay.com. This is a MissPlay.com. This is a great site with a great app by which you can earn money by playing games. They have lots of games, huge collection of games. You have to discover the games that you will love and earn rewards for playing those games. There are three simple steps. You have to just discover new games recommended just for you, and then play and collect some units. They're going to give you some units to as a reward, and then on the step 3, when you collect some more units, and you can redeem their units into awesome rewards with cash, dollars, and real money. This is really awesome. They have already given away $16 million. This is not a fake amount. These are real amounts, and every day this amount is increasing day by day. They are giving real money to people. This is proven. They have gift cards of Amazon, Visa, Google Play, PayPal, and many more cards you can choose from. You can just earn some units. Those are like units. These units going to get collected by MissPlay, and you can exchange those units and redeem it to order gift cards that you love. And that is really awesome. Every week they launch some contest, and you can participate for free to that contest, and you can earn bigger rewards like thousands of dollars. You can win gaming consoles, smartphones, like that. Very really great earning opportunity for you. This is to try your luck. This is a bonus. You are already making money playing games, but you can also participate into their weekly contest and win some bigger prizes as well. And obviously this is a social platform. You can play with friends and make new ones as well, and that's going to build this app, and this will make you this will make more earning opportunity for you. You can ask people, your friends, to join here. You can chat with them, you can play with them. This is isn't it great to play with your friends that you know already and chat freely to them and play and enjoy while earning some decent amount of money, will that would be really great. You can see their reviews. They are all 5-star reviews every day. You can see, and this is really awesome app. But the only downside of this app is they only have right now Google Play options. So only for those who have Android phones around the world can play these games, and those who have Apple phones right now cannot install these apps. So this is a downside. So you only have to install. You can, if you have an Android phone, you can only install this app to it. But this is only a downside. But for coming years, they will upgrade it. They will launch more apps for Apple as well. So by now, this is the site. This is a great site by which you can earn thousands of dollars just by playing games, and this is free PayPal money for you. So this is it. This is the method. So all you have to do is play regularly as an active member on those apps. So be active, money will follow you. If you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe below. See you in the next video. See you later, and thanks for watching.